Well, we're heading in on October 26th. We got a rain today for the first time in, gosh, 2 months maybe. That's not exaggeration. It's dry. So we got a rain and we got our first north wind in probably a week to a week and a half. Deercast is great. I trust Mark Jury's instincts more than mine. So we're gonna go in here, see if we can shoot a doe early, and then hop over to a scrape stand and see if any bucks will get on their feet. Let's check some scrapes. Since it did rain, sounds like rain when the wind blows because the acorns are falling off the trees so much too. So could be a good evening. I really hope so. We're trying to get some meat in the freezer, but we're also trying to be smart since it is the end of October. You never know what might be moving. So hopefully we can bring you some action. Well, I reviewed the footage. I'm not very happy with the shot at all. But I was looking down here with my binoculars from the tree and there was blood everywhere. So I think I might have hit that artery up high. The shot looked high and back. She was quartering a little bit away. But I don't know what happened. So I'm just going to follow this real slowly. It's been about 45 minutes. If it hit that artery, she didn't go far. And if she keeps going far, then we'll back out. You can see the blood. It's pretty red. And I don't think I hit her lungs, so I think it was the artery. It's a lot of blood for where I hit her. I'm just gonna keep following slowly. I mean, that's a lot of blood right there. I see her. I never heard her crash, so I didn't know. She was right there. She didn't go far at all. I got lucky. Rather be lucky than good, boys. They like to go through the thick stuff. Terrible shot. But I got lucky. Well, sometimes God blesses you even when you don't put a great shot on them. And that's what he did today. Thankful to get some meat. And gonna go back, check my bow, make sure it's on. Everything's good with it. I think maybe she took a step, or I jerked or hit a line, I don't know. I haven't missed that far at 25 yards and ever. So I don't know exactly what happened, but anyway, she's down and we're gonna eat good.